Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today's video is going to be another unboxing video. Recently ordered, this box behind me from Louis Vuitton, so stay tuned for this unboxing video. So if we start off with the box it came in, it's got a nice bit of Louis Vuitton print on the underside of the cardboard. It's a typical UPS DHL delivery box. I just thought it was quite a nice wee detail having Louis Vuitton and imprint, as I said, on the inside when you open the box. I've never really seen that before in a cardboard box, so that's pretty cool. This is the box itself, the way it's displayed. As you can see, you get particular Louis Vuitton detailing, the bow, the unique colour as well. Louis Vuitton gives you a bit of excessive packaging. They've got like a little compliment slip if you want to write something in there, maybe for a friend or a family member. And then typical Louis Vuitton fashion, your receipt, and that's also encased in a little envelope there. I really like the way Louis Vuitton presents their packages. As you can see, we've got the blue ribbon contrasted well with the orange colour. I've got another little card in here that you can pull out and you can write, so if this was a gift for somebody, you can write that in there. And just give you a look at the size of the box. It's pretty large, pretty nice depth to it. So if we pull these corners back and slide that out, and the box will open. We have a little bit of tissue paper. Fold this guy back, and you greeted with the boxed item. It's cling wrap, so it's good to. And the name of this one is ILE Blanche. I probably mispronounced the French there, so apologies, but it is a perfumated candle. I just really quite like the look of this. So if we open it up, already I can smell the scents coming through, emanating from the box. I've got a little bit of paper here. French. There we go. There's some precautions from Louis Vuitton and the particular language that Louis Vuitton would use. But let's leave that there. You can pause it here if you want to read that. But anyway, we'll dig into the item itself. As you can see, it's still very finely packaged. So this, as I've seen online, can be acting as a lid or the base. And it's got a little bit of Louis Vuitton imprinted into the metal there. Pull this out, we've almost got like a little kind of ceramic pot with a little leather handle. Rather delicate and neat. We've got Louis Vuitton embossed in the front there. Focuses in. The smell is really nice and amazing. It's hard to describe, but I'll probably bring up online what it smells like exactly, but it's quite light. And as I mentioned, we've got two options here with the lids that can sit on top, so if I pull off a bit of plastic, you can set it like that, like a little pot. Turn it on the underside, like so. You've got a little display stand for your candle to sit on. So on the Louis Vuitton website now, some images of how the candle can be displayed, as I was mentioning before. Quite like the wee leather handle up, it's quite a nice wee piece. along with the candle sitting on the base plate. If you scroll down, over on the right hand side there we've got the description of the candle. So according to Louis Vuitton, the scent they're going after is recalling a seductive scent and beguiling image of a tropical island. The ILE Blanche perfume candle was designed by housemaster's perfumer Jacques Cavalier Beltrud. Apologies again for my French. The vibrant fragrance references the themes of sunshine and ocean mist, citrus iced tea, and indigo-hued archipelago. Notes of citronella, orange, and verbena are artfully combined with a fresh infusion of jasmine tea to produce this evocative scent. I actually just showed my brother the candle and he said it smells like jasmine and cotton, so I actually do agree kind of this to an extent. I think Louis Vuitton got the smell pretty damn well and right with this one. So yeah, definitely think Louis Vuitton got it right. It's definitely a nice kind of fresh cotton smell, something that smells a wee bit like a laundry room, maybe in your house doing the fresh powder and stuff is also what it kind of reminds me of. But definitely a nice light, herbaceous kind of fruity smell, with a hint, as I said, of like kind of cotton behind it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing video of this candle. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Thomas Talks. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!